there's nothing more to say besides all the adjectives that you've used. The reality is this is a political judgment, blatantly so. Even if you look at the fact that the Judicial Service Commission, as per Section 178, is set up merely for the purpose of identifying judges who are fit and proper. Now, who better suited than Dr. Hlophe to represent our constituency, South Africans, in identifying through 25, 28 years of experience. He's got a doctorate, and he's been a judge, in terms of whether a person is fit and proper or not. So with regards to his competence, you can't question that. The issue of which they're trying to use morality, I mean, the DA are the last people to speak about morality. The DA today have people, and what they actually represent is racism, and they're formed off the back of murders. They murdered our people. These are people that represent, individuals and thugs and thieves who came here as visitors and killed our people. That's who the DA is, and they're in government today. And they want to speak about morality. They have members who are racist, who sit in committees, the likes of Ian Cameron. Those people are racist. They are racist. But yet, we want to speak about them having morals, and they want to point fingers at other people having morals. Well, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, that will not fly. The reality is this judicial system is captured. And if you look at Batwa himself, look at the string of cases and the case that he has presided over, the issue of the rogue unit. I mean, his finding was that there's no rogue unit, Pravin's rogue unit. But all the facts were there. Tom Moyane and the Hawks at the time in the NPA presented a case that was clear, that indeed there is a rogue unit. So that's just the reality of what we're dealing with here. We're dealing with a captured judicial system. Every single time when either Mkhonto, Wesizwe, or anything that goes against the Cyril Ramaphosa ANC or this government, it's always going to be questioned. The same thing as what happened with regards to the Section 47 1E.
Let's remove the...
When we spoke about the issue of separation of powers in terms of National Assembly and President Zuma being part of the National Assembly versus being the candidate on the IEC candidate list. That was also used again. So clearly, for MK, there's Zuma laws and there's Hlophe laws.